Okay guys, this is sad. This is a staff mix male. He's only a year old, scheduled to be euthanized on the 12th, and he was laying down and I called him over by me because something I could just tell wasn't right. And see, he's got something. Oh honey, he's hobbling on his little leg. Oh, I'm so sorry. And look at the sweetness in this dog. He just wanted to, even though he's hurt, he came over to get a little scratch. Look at that. Honey, what did you do to your leg? You have an ouchie. And he's not neutered. So, you know, people just need to, if they're going to own a dog, be responsible. Spay and neuter your pets. Microchip them. Keep collars and tags on, which I know can fall off, but that's what the microchip is for. This poor dog has not been cared for. And look how sweet he is. He's giving me kisses. Honey, we got to find somebody to help you. And because his leg is injured, if you're interested in adopting him, Animal Care Service might waive the adoption fee. He certainly deserves a chance. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. That's a cute little face.